Hi, this is Bindu and welcome back to Creative Tune. So today we'll see how to make a crochet necklace. This is the matching necklace with the earring I made in my last knitting video. This is the same heart shaped pattern shown in that video. I'll mention the link in the description. So please check out the video to see how to make this one. We'll be using the same light yellow and light blue color yarns for making this necklace too. So we have already seen how to make this heart and tassels in the earring videos. Same process repeats for the necklace as well. And same materials like 2.5 mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors and flat nose pliers, some jump rings to hang the tassels. So let's begin. We'll be making the same 10 round tassels like we made in the earrings. The only difference is we need to make shorter tassels for this. You can keep the length of the tassels same as the earrings if you like it that way, or else just make those half like I'm gonna show you in this video. So we have completed making the hearts and tassels. Now it's time to make the necklace. So let's assemble them using the jump rings. I'm using 5 hearts. You can add more of them depending upon your neck size. Now we'll just hang the tassels like this manner. And we'll use these jump rings to hang these tassels and to join the hearts as well. So the front part of the choker necklace will look like this. Now we have to make the strings in order to tie this around the neck. Using both the yarns and crochet hook, we'll make the string here like this one I have made. So in total I made 25 stitches here, and just join both the yarns and make a stitch here by pulling the yarn like this, and make 25 chain stitches. We'll attach an adjustable hook with the string to adjust its size. If you don't have the hook, then you can make the strings longer by making 40 or 45 stitches. Just while wearing the necklace, just tie it around your neck. So in the second row, we'll just make single crochets in each chain stitches, in each 25 chain stitches. See, the choker is ready, and now we'll attach the hook at one end. Just open it and attach it using the flat nose plier, and again attach the other end like this. And see, it's ready now. This is the final look of the choker, and you can open it like this and see how it looks. Here is the final look, and here's the earrings, but it's not complete yet, I guess. Wait, we'll find a way. See, I have made a matching ring using the same heart and blue tassels. Just made a chain of 15 stitches at the back of the heart, and here we go. Heart tassel choker and earring set with a beautiful ring is a perfect set to make you look gorgeous in any occasion and with any outfit. So do try this, and please leave a comment, hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe Creative Toon for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Happy knitting.